It's taken an army of people to convert this from what was an industrial island.
Having put these rocks in, the lobsters are everywhere.
This is going to be a very unique site for avian species. Oh my God, there's an owl. It's quite exciting to see him here again.
There is a global problem facing reefs. There are reefs here. They're clearly in decline and suffering pretty severely. Let's try and do something about it.
There's a lot of transplants, a lot of fish, lobster. Coral's looking healthy, the general environment good, so good work.
There's a chance that we're going to have a healthy colony again. It's pretty awesome.
Something that the world can really look at us and set the example.
We can make a difference with these areas. Big topic of conversation was conch. Another one was seagrass and how important these items are for the environment, for the Bahamas. It's really needing our help.
We are a family company that live for the ocean. We live by the ocean. That's what feeds us every day. Let's make this marine reserve something unique. Let's do it together.
I'm excited for the transformation.
And I can't wait to see what it's going to be in the future.
And really bring the marine life back to a place that was industrialized with aragonite mining.
The more debris we take, more we are cleaning the sea.
Oh, look at the color of the water. It's beautiful.
This is what people expect.
Those 5,500 guests will have the time of their life.
This is something that has never been done before.